Okay, right, Melrose had a shower in God's bathroom up here in the cloudy sky. And oh, look at her hair. She looks beautiful. She's towel drying right now in her bathrobe. Her lovely starry bijou bathrobe. The new horse line. She is so pretty. She's so beautiful. And her hairband snapped. Ooh, stressy bitch. And her tail's tied in a knot to keep it out of the way. She's like, fuck off. Look, it's wobbly. Oh, we will in a minute. She looks beautiful. There's a pig on her towel. And a cow, and they're both her. Because she's fat and she's a cow and it's hanging over her ear, so she's getting in a mood. Oh, grumpy bitch. Bless her. Good pony.